Hi guys, welcome back to Grace's channel. Unfortunately Grace is not here this weekend as she is away, so she has put me in charge of doing the pin opening box for her. So all our pins have come from Stewpins. So when you do order from Stewpins, you'll get a pin mail card with their Facebook and Instagram on, and it also comes in some nice wrapping with all the pins inside. So what I'm going to do is go through all the pins with you, give you the prices, let you know how pin trading works and what pins we've got, and I'll be unpacking them with you. So what we're going to do start off with, we do a thing called Bing Up, where you pay £15 a month, I believe it is, to Stewpins. Each month you get a free pin, and it's just luck off the draw. They'll go live on Facebook and they basically just put their hand in a box and pick your pin out. So you don't know what you're going to get, they don't know what you're going to get. Sometimes you might just get a pin, sometimes if you put a sticker on it, you might get the chance to trade it for a different pin, and they do offer little prizes as well if you're lucky enough to get that. So this is my one from my membership, what I got. So me and Gracie both have a membership each, and I got the Walt Disney World Park. So Gracie has got this collection, but she's got them all separately in 4 separate pins. Myself, I don't collect attractions, so this will be a trader for myself, but it will be a really good trader. It's got all the 4 parks on there, so you got Hollywood, Magical Kingdom, Epcot and Animal Kingdom. Like I said, I just got this in my monthly package. To buy it, probably roughly about £14-15 from a guess if you got it from the Disney store. But yeah, so that's our first one. The one which Gracie got as a trader is, I believe she got an animal one, but I'm not too sure. Let's have a look. And same again, if you're into pin trading, sign up to Stewpins because they're really nice guys on there, and the pins you get from them are really good. So Gracie got a bunny one. I have no idea what film this is from, maybe Bambi. But it's a really cute pin. Same again, Gracie's not really an animal collector, so she will put this up as a trader. But hopefully she'll be able to trade that at the next pin event, something what she does want. Or if not, she'll just keep in a trader bag. Same again, I would have thought if you were to buy this pin, probably roughly about £13-15. So they're the two Bing Up pins what we got. Stewpins then do a live sale, which they do once a month. So basically it's first come first serve. If you've only got that one pin, you just put sold, and for example this one 180, so we managed to get this one. Sometimes they might have more than that, they might have about 10-20 pins, it all depends. The one we got was a Blizzard Beach one. So this is one what she will keep for herself because she's a attraction and a park collector. This one was £12. Really cute pin to be fair. So you got the snowman on. I believe this was one of the first pins that come out when Blizzard Beach opened, and you got the kamikaze in the background as well. The next pin would then be another water park pin. We got the Typhoon Lagoon one. Same again, she won't be trading this, we'll keep this for a collection. This one, same again, was £12. Got the alligator in. Don't ask what his name is because I've not got a clue what he's called, but I believe that he's also the alligator at Blizzard Beach as well, so he does both the parks. But same again, this is really cool, and this one was for the opening day of the park from 1989. So when the park opened in 1989, this is probably one of the first pins what they would have brought out. Probably quite a rare one to collect, but you know, if it comes up again, maybe Gracie might get enough one for a trader, not too sure, but she'll definitely be keeping this one. The next pin is one that I managed to get her because she's a massive Toy Story collector, and this is pretty cute to be fair. So it's a flag pin. It's got Buzz Lightyear on it from 1995, I believe it is, and this one was £15. They did have quite a few of these ones with all different characters. I believe they had Mickey Mouse, Donald Duck, all the original 5, and then I think they had like Jack Skellington and stuff, but we only got this one just for the simple fact that it's Toy Story and it goes into a collection. The next pin what we got would be the pin what I got for myself. So I collect fill-ins, and that is literally all I get. Any other pins what I get what aren't fillings, I'll just put them up for trader. This one was £25. I just think this is really cool, and I couldn't really say no to it. So it spins. It's got all the fillings on there. What we got? So we got Cruella de Vil, Ursula, Cruella de Vil, Ursula, Captain Hook, Maleficent, Doctor Viseria, Evil Queen, and Jafar, and Queen of Hearts. Like I say, really cool. If I could get my hands on enough one of these, I'll definitely buy one for a trader, because this would be quite a good trader to have. However, that will be going into my collection. And then the other one what I managed to get Gracie, I tried to get myself one of these with the fillings, but they sold out. But this one's really cute. I've never personally seen one like this before. So it's a Toy Story autograph book. Obviously, I went for the Toy Story one first, but like I said, I couldn't get the filling one since it did sell out quite quick. And then if you open up inside it, it's got all the autographs in. So if you've ever been to Disneyland, all these autographs are literally the exact same. That's how they sign it themselves. Even down to Buzz Lightyear. Because he doesn't write it out with a pen, he just gives you a stamp. It's even same in the autograph book. So that's a really cool pin. And yeah, it's really cool to keep, to be fair. I kind of wish I got two of these now, but they sold really, really fast. This one, same again as the filling one, it was £25, so really good price I think for that. And then the last two, these are really easy to find in the parks. So basically, these are the Mickey ones. Even though I am a filling collector, I'm giving the Hades one to Gracie, because she only needs the Genie one and then she's finished that collection. The Ursula one I'm keeping for myself, but I'm not going to finish that collection off because the other ones are Bambi, Tramp. I'm not really into collecting animals and all different stuff. I'm just pure filling person. I believe these are Wraith Bees. If I'm wrong, Gracie would correct me on that. And these were just £13. But like I say, even though they're the Mickeys, they are rare to get in England. But if you go to Florida, the odds are you're going to find it on a trading bird. You're going to find it with a cast member. Usually the Trivia ones is where you find these. Gracie did manage to get this one twice, I believe, when we went to Florida. We didn't get Hades there. So Gracie has got that for her collection, and she also got it for a trader. I just wanted it just because it's Ursula. And I really like fillings for some reason. I just think they're really cool. But yeah, same again, they won't be traders, but if I do go back to Florida, I will definitely buy more mystery bags, get more of them and put them up for trading. So I believe that covers everything. Any comments, any questions on pin trading or anything about the Stewpins website, just let me know. Please leave a comment and a like and a share, and let Gracie know how well you think her dad did for filming. I'm sure that she will criticise everything what I've done, but hopefully not. Stay magical, and thank you for watching.